Hey, good morning. This video is to show you how Benue State is blessed with good plants. Like you can see, this is cassava. This is cassava. You can see this is cassava, and you can see the plants. You know, this is how cassava is planted, and what you are seeing here is maize. Yeah, so it started, and then from there it will grow to this point. When it grows to this point, you see how good it's looking, and this is without applying any manure or something. And see, this is just planted at the backyard of someone's house, and you can see this is on the streets. You see, this is the street, and where this cassava is planted. And when you look at these kind of things, to tell you how where Benue State is blessed, if you look down the street, you can see what is there is another cassava, and we have people plant them around. At times, it's not necessarily someone you need to go to get a big yard before you plant something. You know, this is to show you how Benue State is well blessed with food, all types of food. You look on the fence there. Look, that is a plantain tree and coconut. This is showing you how wonderful this state called Benue State is, and it's blessed. And we love Benue, and a lot of people too, they love Benue State. So it's a beautiful thing. And this cassava tree, cassava plant, you can see, look at the leaves. The leaves look so beautiful. Can you see? Nobody will tell you, but you know that, okay, these people, they have blessed land. The land of Benue State is well blessed with so many good things. And on this channel, for now, I'll be showing you how Benue State is blessed. And most of it, I'll be showing you farm products. So thank you for watching. Share this video. Some of you have not seen a cassava tree, cassava plant before. So this is a cassava plant. Yeah, they make some ridges, and sometimes they use hay to plant them. And one day I will take you to a yam farm where you see how they plant yam and how they harvest yam. A lot of us who eat this, we don't know how it got to be, how it's processed. So once again, thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe from Benue Family TV.